Another day, another listing. We are here in Solen Residences, a part of Greenfield City, wherein we are going to showcase this modern house and lot. So, if you are an OFW or retiree looking for a family home with at least 2-car garage, a deep pool, and a corner lot, then this video is for you. So this property has 223 square meters lot area and approximately 300 square meters floor area. So bago tayo pumasok sa mismong property is ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung ating 2-car garage. So ito, usual na design here in Solen Residences is meron talaga siyang space for 2-car garage. So perfect siya for your daily car and also for your business car. Now, let's check kung ano yung meron sa loob ng ating property. And, ayan, nakalimutan ko palang i-mention na yung right side from our main door, yun yung access natin going to the swimming pool. Ang maganda po dito sa ating property is fully furnished na siya upon turnover. Ang hindi lang included is yung mga personal belongings nung may-ari ng ating property. So, sa ating living area, meron tayo ditong high ceiling and meron tayong napakaganda na chandelier. So, mostly ng decorations and furniture na meron yung ating client is from Dubai. So, yung ating client, actually, last December lang sila tumira dito sa bahay. Pero since 2019 is mostly expats po yung nag-rent dito sa property. Pero as you can see, still well-maintained siya. So, check muna natin yung ating pool area. So, bibihira lang sa mga property yung merong pool. But since this is a corner lot, so na-maximize talaga ng ating client yung space. So, meron tayo ditong patio. Ito yung ating deep pool. So, meron siyang 4.5 to 5 feet na height. Meron din tayong kids pool. And ito sa kabilang side natin, ito na yung ating shower area. So, ang kagandahan dito is bawat sulok ng bahay na maximize siya ng client. So, kumbaga tagus-tagusan siya hanggang dun sa kabilang side. And ipapakita natin siya sa inyo later. So, from our high ceiling living area, meron pa tayong extension dito ng ating living area for our guests. Especially if mahilig kayo sa mga family gatherings. This is an 8-seater dining table. Newly purchased lang ng ating client pero included na siya upon turnover. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung sinasabi ko na ano nga ba yung tagusan hanggang dito sa kabilang side. So, from our pool area, ayan, meron tayong access, shower area. Then, ito yung ating access going to our toilet and bath. So, etong space na to is currently ginawa ng client na office area and gym. From our toilet and bath, ang kagandahan is meron tayong access going to our supposedly, this is a helper's quarter pero ginawa siyang nursery room. So, from kabilang side, ayan, dire-diretso lang tayo and meron na tayong access going to our auxiliary kitchen. Pero hindi ko na siya ipapakita ng buo since this serves as their daily kitchen. So, marami pong extra gamit dun sa area. Pero ang kagandahan, from the auxiliary kitchen, meron na rin siyang access palabas ng ating car garage. So, bukod sa very spacious na siya since it is a corner lot na maximize pa siya nung ating client. And ayun nga, napansin nyo, very maaliwalas, very accessible siya. Bawat parte ng bahay is nasa-serve talaga yung purpose niya. And now, let's check our second floor. So, meron din tayo ditong meron din tayo ditong elegant chandelier. We have here our glass window pero fixed na siya. And, ayan. Tingnan natin yung ating 3 bedrooms dito. So, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong harang dito. No worries, that is removable. So, nilagay lang siya kasi merong 2-year-old kid yung ating client. So, let's start with our first bedroom. So, yung ating first bedroom, ito newly built lang siya na room. So, it has a double deck. Meron din tayo ditong single bed. And ang kagandahan is meron tayong screen door and access going to the balcony. So, ito yung na-mention kanina, 'di ba? Laging yung ginawang design ng ating client is lampasan siya. So, meron tayong access dito going to another bedroom. So, tara. So, here, ayan, mas malaki yung space ng ating balcony dito sa ating second room. So, another access. Kasi yung mga other properties na na-feature natin, usually yung master bedroom yung merong access sa balcony. But this one, ayan, both rooms is meron siyang access. Plus, ayan, meron tayo ditong queen size bed. Meron na rin tayo ditong mga modular cabinets na included. Plus, this room has its own or has ensuite toilet and bath. So, as you can see, very spacious. So, it's up to you kung gusto niyo siyang palagyan dito ng partition. But, complete fixtures na siya with lavatory, toilet, and also yung ating shower area. So, this one, it is our master bedroom. So, it has a walk-in closet and of course, meron din siyang ensuite toilet and bath. And lastly, gusto ko din i-share sa inyo. Ayan. So, meron pa tayo ditong, from this area, makikita natin yung ating living area. So, meron din tayong another window glass here na naka-fix na din siya. And, ayan. This is our another balcony. So, ito yung ating balcony na may view ng ating pool area. So, to all our clients na hindi familiar kay Solen Residences, again, it is located in Greenfield City kung saan matatagpuan ang Paseo Outlet Mall. So, nandito din yung other development ng Greenfield Development Corporation, which are Pramana Residential Park, Trava, and also Zadia, which is a condominium. So, another good thing is very accessible tayo. So, kanina nag-video lang tayo. Within 5 minutes, mararating na natin yung Eton Greenfield exit. And we are just close proximity to everything. Schools, malls, hospitals, and very close sa other Ayala development, which is Nuvali. So, if you are interested, you can message me and contact me on my details flash on the screen. And that's it for today's video. Again, this property has 223 square meters lot area and approximately 300 square meters floor area. So, if you are interested, you can message me on my details flash on the screen. Dial 63965-075-9571 through iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp.